Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one out of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of May, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.13. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, and further decline within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 38% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 74% to negative 3%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of about 50%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from approximately 11% to 351% over the next year. In current terms, this would estimate the future price to be somewhere between $3.95 and $16.06. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Significant Movements in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Tuesday, with a fluctuation of 17.44% between high and low. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price rose by 9.54% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 13th of May, in the year 2025, increasing from $3.25 to $3.56. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 17.44%, with a low of $3.28 and a high of $3.85. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a decline of 0.56% during this period. Notably, volume has increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 38 million more shares were traded than the day before, bringing the total to 96 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $343.33 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $10.35, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price stands at 65.6%, or $6.79, below the 52-week high, and 77.92%, or $12.56, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April in the year 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol BBAI, is currently facing significant legal challenges. Multiple class action lawsuits have been filed against the company and its senior executives for alleged violations of federal securities laws. As of the 13th of May in the year 2025, the law firm Levi & Korsinski has publicly notified investors of a lead plaintiff deadline set for the 10th of June in the year 2025. This wave of lawsuits centers around claims that those who invested in BBAI between the 31st of March in the year 2022 and the 25th of March in the year 2025 suffered losses due to improper disclosures and potential securities fraud. The immediate impact on BBAI's stock price could be negative, as uncertainty and legal troubles often lead to investor anxiety, resulting in sell-offs. In the short term, the company's valuation may face downward pressure, especially as media coverage amplifies these legal issues. In the long term, if the allegations are proven true, the legal ramifications could lead to hefty financial penalties or settlements, further straining the company's resources and damaging its reputation. However, if the company can successfully address and mitigate these claims, it may recover and regain investor confidence over time. Investors remain watchful as the legal proceedings unfold, with the outcome of these lawsuits likely influencing stock performance well beyond the June deadline. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating while recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, H.C. Wainwright once again gave BBAI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Today, the chart displays mostly positive signals. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which provides a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there exists a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two moving averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support levels can be found at $3.22 and $3.03. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025. And thus far, the stock has increased by nearly 49%. Further price increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 125 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 35 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from the cumulated volume at $3.53. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and with a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Bands, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, this stock fluctuated by 572 thousandths of a dollar, reflecting a change of 17.44%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.16%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This essential metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates at -7 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.57. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.53. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of May, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 14,063 shares of common stock. On the 8th of May, 2025, Peffer Julie conducted an insider sale of 20,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of May, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock. On the 6th of May, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 9,515 shares of common stock. On the 8th of April, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC, conducted an insider sale of 27,430,402 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 95.665. In total, insiders purchased 2,525,089 shares and sold 143,730,920 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.43, reflecting a decline of 3.60%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 16 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several positive indicators, and although the stock is currently in a declining trend, we believe it remains a solid choice at present levels. Our expectation is that BigBear.ai Holdings stock will perform exceptionally well over the next 3 months. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since our last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a strong buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open higher by 280 0.10 of a dollar and begin trading at $3.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.